Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jen from Asagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon tingnan natin ang nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Scorpio. So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos updates. Sa mga di pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click your subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito na mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, give me information for the sign of Virgo for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8. Let's see, Virgo. There is a two of wands. There is a two path or there is a decision, no? Kailangan mong magdesisyon kung saan kang pintuan, no? Papasok or saan kang way dadaan. Diba? And of course, there's a high priestess. There is a hidden agenda or there's a mystery. No? There's a mystery dito sa eksena na to. And of course, there's a the sun card. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dito or there's a pure positivity. And of course, there's a tower moment. There's a sudden changes or there is a chaos or destruction or disaster na magaganap dito. At magsisilbing magandang eksena to, beautiful disaster. And of course, there's a Seven of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin guys dito, there's a blossoming abundance. Kumbaga, this is your moment na kumbaga lahat ng mga pinaghirapan mo, makukuha mo na yung deserve mo. At the same time, let's see. There's a Five of Wands. No, marami kang competitor, marami kang kalaban sa paligid mo, marami naiinggit sa'yo. And of course, there's a Two of Wands and of course the Four of Pentacles. Protect your power, protect your energy. Protectionan mo yung grounds mo at protectionan mo yung sarili mo. No? Kailangan mo magdesisyon ng naayon sa karapat-dapat. Huwag kang magpapadala sa tukso ng ninuman. And of course, there's a Page of Pentacles. There's a manifestation, a new ideas, new plan. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a mystery behind, there's an unexpected moment, no? Kumbaga may mga pagbabago magaganap sa'yo dito na magdadala sa'yo ng manifestation. So, what is the Sun card? What is the Sun card? And it could represent the devil. O, see? Kumbaga magkakaroon ka ng clarity dito sa eksena na to na kumbaga may mga taong toxic, no? Or there's a negativity na or either no, there's a temptation or there's an abusive or there's an information for kumbaga black magic involved. So what is the Tower moment? And of course, there is a Ten of Wands. Ibig sabihin dito natapos na yung burden, natapos na yung obligations. With the Ten of Wands in reverse, ibig sabihin dito natapos na yung kirot at sakit na mga pinagdaanan mo. There's a too much burden. So what is the Seven of Pentacles? There's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and sporty person, no? Kumbaga, mayroon taong sumusuporta sa'yo, tumutulong sa'yo. What is the Five of Wands? What is the Five of Wands? Angel Spirit Guides. What is the Five of Wands? What is the Five of Wands? There is a magician. There's a manifestation. May mga bagay na, kumbaga, ma-manifest ka, no? Kumbaga, ano man ang ginagawa nila against sa'yo, no? Unti-unti mo pa rin na isa sa katuparan. Or there's a magic involved na ginagawa ka ng orasyon para bumagal yung pasok na magandang kapalaran sa'yo. So, what is the Two of Wands and the Four of Pentacles? And because there's a justice, don't you worry, there's a good karma and bad karma for them. Kumbaga, nasa sa'yo yung hustisya. Justice will serve. The High Priestess and of course the Page of Pentacles. And of course, there's a Three of Wands, waiting for a result or waiting for a ship, no? Kumbaga, there's a trouble. Kumbaga, baka there's an unexpected na gusto mo pala mga ibang bansa or something na bigla ang pangingibang bansa pa lang atake mo, no, ito pa lang eksena na magpapabago ng buhay mo. So, this is the moment na makakaalis ka na. By land, by air, by water, so anything na may trouble. So, what is the Sun card and of course the Devil card? So, there's a King of Swords, no? Ay, Knight of Swords, sorry. There's a Knight of Swords. Magiging mabilis tong eksena na to at ikakat mo tong yung eksena na to pagdating sa Devil energy. No, kayang-kaya mo putulin to ng mabilisan at talagang kayang-kaya mo i-release yung negativity and of course, blockages na to. So, what is the Tower and the Ten of Wands in reverse? What is the Tower and the Ten of Wands in reverse? And of course, there's a Nine of Pentacles. Okay, there's a practicality about sa finances, no? Kumbaga kailangan secure ka or kailangan maging practical ka pagdating sa pera para at least hindi ka nahihirapan pagdating ng araw o panahon. No, mag-ingat sa paggastos, mag-ingat sa paghawak at mag-ingat sa pagtitiwala, no? Pagdating sa pera. And of course, there's a Seven of Pentacles and the King of Cups. There's a Seven of Swords. There's a cheating and lying on you. Maraming tao nagsisinungaling behind your back. Kumbaga maraming tao nagsisinungaling sa'yo, there's a harvest time. Kumbaga, kailangan putulin na yung eksena nito or kaugnayan nito sa taong nagkaroon ng sneakiness or cheating or lying sa'yo. So, what is the Five of Wands? And of course, the Hangman. Ay, the Magician. There's the Word card, no? Kumbaga, there's a trouble, and of course, there's a success coming your way. Kumbaga, maraming tao sa paligid mo against sa'yo. Maraming tao sa paligid mo na, kumbaga, naiinggit sa'yo o kakompetensya mo, no? Kumbaga, ginagawa ka ng hindi maganda. Kumbaga, sinasabi ng the word card dito na, kumbaga, lahat ng aspeto ay hawak mo dito. Kumbaga, dead makalang sa kanila. Kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay ma-manifest mo. 'Di ba? Basta hindi ka nag-open up or hindi ka nabibigyan ng information sa kanila, 'di ba? Kahit anong eksena nila, wala sila makukuha at wala sila magagawa sa iyo. So, what is the outcome? Ang outcome is the Chariot card, no? There's a changes coming in. There's a movement. And of course, there's a taking action. Kailangan mo kumilos gumalaw kasi may pagbabago magaganap. And of course, there's a black naman. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a devil energy talaga na sinasabi dito, may gawa ka talaga ng black magic involved, no? Kailangan mo makaalis sa situation by taking action. Kasi ito ay talagang hinaharang niya yung mga bagay na o mga opportunities na dumarating sa'yo. And of course, the Wheel of Fortune. See? Imbis na swerte yung pumasok sa'yo, kamalasan. Ganun yung ginagawa ng tao na to. Kumbaga, nagsiset siya ng blockages sa'yo para imbis na swerte yung pumasok ay kamalasan. And of course, there's a Page of Swords, nahalata mo na to, na parang nagkaroon ka na ng ideas dito. So, hindi na to bago sa'yo or parang napapansin mo na siya, hindi mo lang alam kung paano mo susolusyonan, no? And of course, there is an Ace of Cups in power of the deck, may love life na parating sa'yo. No, wag mo nang hayaan mabaligtad pa yung eksena. Siguro itong cheating or lying on you, baka itong tao na to ay kumukuha ng impormasyon sa'yo o baka nakakapasok sa tahanan nyo. No? Mag-ingat kasi may ahas at may traidor. So, what is additional messages for angel spirit messages? There is an evolutions and information. No? Maraming information at maraming pagbabago makukuha ka dito. And of course, there's a creation. No? Maaaring dinaan niya sa pagkain to, sa pagbigay-bigay ng pagkain sa inyo. And because there's a daydream, no? Maging maingat ha, maging tahimik ka lang. At mas maganda yung nag-i-imagine ka quiet time. Oh my God. Just wait lang guys ha. Okay. Thank God, nalaglag yung cards ko. Okay, what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card? There's a contracts and a career and commitment. So, there's a soul contract dito ha. Pagdating sa career and of course sa inyong relasyon. And of course, the Dark Knight. See? There's a moon. And of course, shadow side. Ibig sabihin talaga dito, there's some hidden agenda or hidden enemies, no? Kumbaga, meron talagang sikretong gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. Kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka na ng ideas pero hindi talaga nagsisink in sa utak mo na siya kang gagawa nun. And of course, there's an ancestor guides. Ginagabayan ka ng iyong mahal mo sa buhay na yumao. So, what is the yin and yang, or what is the love oracle card? Hand of the card, take chance and risk. No? Kung hindi ka susugal at hindi ka magti-take ng chance dito, hindi mo malalaman ang nangyayari sa paligid mo. See? There's a mask not showing. See? And of course, there's hiding and pretending. May taong nagbabalat kayo, kumbaga meron ditong nagsusuot ng maskara, kumbaga doble cara or something na parang kumbaga nagsisinungaling sa harap mo. Pagkaharap mo siya, ang ganda-ganda ng eksena, ganun. Kumbaga pagkatalikod mo, di mo ngita pala, 'di ba? So what is additional messages for love oracle cards? Romance angels. This could be the one. You already met the romantic partner you seek. No, maaari nakita mo na yung romantic cycle. A romantic lover. And of course, new love is coming. Wow, a new person has steer your romantic feelings. So, some of you talaga meron na ditong romantic, no? So, what is additional archangel? Michael, you created this situation and you have the power to change it. See? Ikaw yung nagpapasok ng ahas at ikaw din yung nagbigay ng ahas sa bahay nyo or sa paligid mo, 'di ba? Ikaw din yung makakagawa ng paraan para putulin yung eksena na yan and make a commitment, no? Gumawa ka ng contract on, of course, ng eksena dito. So, what is Archangel Raphael messages? What is Archangel Raphael messages? Hydration. Some of you, kumbaga, kulang ka sa tubig or kailangan mo na maraming to, o kailangan mo minom ng tubig. And of course, there's a meditation. Kailangan mo mag-meditate, no? Para, kumbaga, siguro kailangan mo mag-meditate, magdasal na pumasok sa panaginip mo or sa pangitain or sa intuition mo kung sino gumagawa sa inyo. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito ng ating sobriety, ibig sabihin dito kumain ka ng foods and vegetable, no? Kinukulang ka ata sa foods and vegetable. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a trouble. Ang lakas ng energy dito talaga na may travel ka. No, kasi lumabas din yung the world card. And of course, you're on the right path. Kung napanood mo tong reading nito at talagang tumugma sa'yo, talagang nasa tamang direction ka and environmentalism. See, nasa paligid mo lang ang trader, nasa paligid mo lang ang ahas. Kaya kumalma ka. So, what is additional messages? And because there's a gratitude. Kasi naging mabuti kang tao, naging mabuti kang, kaya inabuso ka, no? Your gratitude. So, what is the Monsology? Emotional running high. So, magiging emotion ka dito na, syempre nagtiwala ka, tapos siya pala yung taong, di ba, aahas sa'yo. Di ba, inggitera. And of course, bring love in this situation. Mahalin mo yung sitwasyon, di ba? Kung siya na ba talagang kailangan ng putulin yung eksena sa kanya, carjackin mo na no? What is energy? Angel Spirit Guides. The Thinking Woman. So, ibig sabihin dito talaga may babae ditong tumitingin sa'yo. Kumbaga pinagmamasdan ka. And of course, there's a deceptive, may mangkukulam. My God. Kaya pala there's a negative and devil energy, may mangkukulam. I told you. My goodness. And of course, second siya ka Archangel Uriel. About sa finances. Tinutulungan ka nito about sa finances. See? Tingnan mo, tsura ng mangkukulam. May mangkukulam talaga dito na ako. My goodness. So, what is the chakra? Chakra is enlightenment. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan dito at kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. Parang biglang magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan. My God, siya pala. And of course, there's a creation. See? May nagki-create talaga sa'yo ng eksena dito. And of course, there's a self-worth. Kumbaga gusto kanya agawan ng spotlight or gusto kanya agawin ng throne or something. Dapat alam mo yung halaga mo dito, So, what is the angel's number? Baka may gusto to sa person mo. Humaharot siguro sa person mo. And of course, there's a 333. I am powerful. You are being called upon to use your spiritual gift as a light worker, assisting all of humanity. Live your true truth, and be a positive light to others. See? Napaka-powerful mo, kayang-kayang magbigay ng kaliwanagan sa ibang tao, no? Ikaw yung magsisilbi talagang liwanag din nila. So, what is the messages of life? And of course, I discover who I am. Today, I discover the riches that lie within me. I acknowledge my true self. I see myself as unlimited being and marvel and beauty of my life. I recognize the wealth of possibilities available to me as a being of a light. As I learn who I am, I recognize the divine with me. See, alam mo sa sarili mo na kasama mo ang ating Panginoon at ang ating universe. Sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na there's a lies and of course cheating on you or something, kumbaga binabackstab ka. Kailangan mo lang i-release at tanggalin yung mga tao sa paligid mo at maaaring na-discover mo na yan at nakita mo na ang true potential ng eksena na to. Kumbaga, itong nabasa mo at narinig mo tong reading na to ay talagang tubugma sa'yo. Comment down below, ha? Kailangan mong makaalis at iwas sa mga negativity and of course dyan sa traitor at talagang ahas, 'di ba? And of course guys, this reading is weekly gabay for the month of October 1 hanggang October 8 for the sign of Virgo. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, and of course, don't forget to comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asan man kayo ngayon para sa susunod na reading natin. Baka energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap natin. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!